Hi everyone, it's Eliana here. Welcome to a day in my life. We're starting off early. It's 8:30 in the morning. I'm already ready and dressed for the day. We are shooting multiple outfits today. I'm shooting a collab for these boots primarily. Hi Mom. And then I don't know what I'm gonna get up to, but I decided to take you along for the day. Thrifting adventure unless we end up at coffee. My favorite Palm Boy. Iced caramel latte decaf. It's so yum. Look at our professional server at work. Anything to say for yourself?
No. No.
You want to say hello? Just washed my face and it's exfoliating night, and because I didn't take a shower, I mean I could use the same exfoliant I used, but I like to use this one. It's the Good Molecules Overnight Exfoliating Treatment, and my skin sometimes gets red, sometimes doesn't from this, but it settles down pretty quickly, so I'm just gonna do that. And then I have to put away the rest of my laundry before I go to sleep, because it's all on my bed and I don't want to get into the pattern that I've been getting into, which is not doing it and not putting it away, and then it just lives on my floor. That's not very healthy. So we're working on keeping our space free of clutter and keeping my mind freer because of that. Basically, I've just shot content this morning, as you saw. Went and grabbed coffee. We thrifted. I'm looking for gifts for my brother's birthday, because he told me he wants me to thrift him some cool stuff for his birthday, so I'm trying to do that. I did go to the UPS store, but my phone was going to die, so I didn't film it. I sold the really cute vintage chocolate brown bag that I had listed on my Depop. I have 3 people sent in offers on 3 separate items, but that doesn't mean that they'll sell, even though I accept the offers like pretty instantly. But sometimes people just offer and then they don't buy it. I don't really get it, but hopefully those sell tomorrow morning. Then I could get all of those packaged and ready to go. And then I had dinner, which I think I videoed, I don't know. And then we just watched TV, and now I'm doing skincare, and I'll take you along for the laundry, but that's it. And I'm watching while I do laundry Gretchen Garrity on YouTube. So well, let's get cleaning. Okay, I did a lot of it, but there is a pile of my clothes. I will be honest, I don't want to hang them up right now, so I'm just going to do that tomorrow. But that's going to wrap up this day in the life. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. I'm thankful you're here. Until next time.